So today I'm going to go over the maintenance for your lead-acid rechargeable battery. I am going to teach you guys the proper way to charge and then how to maintain your battery for a long period of time of usage. So as you can see, I got my Ion Black Rocker Max and then my ECOXGEAR Boulder Bluetooth speaker. The first two that I just mentioned, they utilize lead acids. They utilize CO lead acid battery. I got the third one, which is a billboard. This one, the one on the right hand side, that one uses lithium-ion battery. It only uses for the 18650 rechargeable battery. So that one I don't really need to worry about how to charge and recharge or drain the battery. For the initial charge for the lead acid battery, you want to go ahead and charge it all the way up. You can use it normally after that, and then when your batteries drain all the way down again, you want to go ahead and then charge it. But the second time around, if you charge it after the battery shows or the battery indicator shows it is fully charged, you want to go ahead and unplug it right away. I learned my first lesson is that after the battery is fully charged, and then I still let it plug in. So when you do that, your acid is going to get your battery is going to get overheated, and it's going to dry up the solution that's inside the battery pack. Okay. So this is the battery, the new one that I got for my ECOXGEAR, the Boulder. But both of them, they use similar batteries. So this is the battery. So it's a good thing that I filed a claim, because my ECOXGEAR battery is almost about 3 years old, and then they have a 3 years warranty. Versus the Black Rocker Max, it is 1 year from the manufacturer. What if you buy from through the Costco, normally they give you a 2-year manufacturer warranty. So in case you guys need to know how to change the battery for your Ion or your ECOXGEAR Boulder, I show you guys on the second generation, but it's similar to the first generation. The one I have is the first generation one, okay? And I also show you guys on how to change the Black Rocker Max and all other different model. You can search under my channel, and then it should pop out. And I also take apart the billboard speaker that uses a lithium-ion battery. I did the opening for that speaker as well. So if you guys want, you can also search under my channel, and it should pop up. If you plug in your AC cord and your battery shows full, but when you unplug it, your Bluetooth speaker shut off right away, that means your lead acid battery is no good. Okay. So as you can see, this is a rechargeable CO lead acid battery. This is DHB 1270 6-FM-7. It is a 12 volt, 7 amp Henry, 20 hours. There's a positive and minus right there. So the Ion, this one has a LED bar.
Line in. Bluetooth Bluetooth connected.
Wow. I think that was a maximum volume. So anyway, it is connecting to my phone that I'm recording right now, so which is a Samsung S8 Plus. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.